Alright, welcome everyone. Gonna do a little bit of a different format on this this one. I think it's probably gonna be my new format going forward for the Lego stuff. Basically do a quick intro. I'm gonna unbag the pieces and knoll them out off camera. And then I'll just come in and build it at high speed and then do another outro where I show the piece off with a little more detail. Hope you like it. The Lego builds aren't really driving views. I just enjoy them, so I'm not going to stop. I may cut back to 3 days a week on them or something. I hadn't really hammered all that out yet, but that's what I'm leaning at right now. So, with that being said, I'm going to undo the bagging and set it up and get ready to go. Well, I guess I won't actually be right back, but you know, the high-speed thing's about to start. That's enough ambling. Okay, there we go. One officially built Roadrunner. The best of all the Looney Tunes. I will stand by that. Looks good to me, I think. Nice detail in the tail and the bouffant hair. That's sort of, you know, we've still got Wiley right here. Sort of, you know, the frenemies. I think they, at this point, you know, he knows he's not going to catch him, her. I'm not sure they've ever identified Roadrunner as a he or a she, even back in the day. I think that's pretty. You know, I think that's a pretty cool set. And I say it's fond memories of my childhood, so that's a big part to me. But with that being said, I'm gonna see how these quick videos go. Start to do a few of these, like, you know, the shorter ones like this on the Lego side of things. And we'll go from there. See how things work. Thanks for watching, everybody. Like, subscribe, comment, complain, share, do whatever you want to with all that. Be good to one another. Stay healthy, and I'll see you next time. Bye.